All right, you guys, how cute is this travel sewing kit? This set comes with 43 pieces and has everything you might need in one compact case. Let me show you what's included. So you have a set of needles, and these come in 4 different sizes. You also have a set of gold thimbles. One is slightly larger than the other, I'd say. There's also a pair of foldable scissors, and these open up pretty easily. You just pull them apart, and then you're ready to put them to work on your next sewing project. There is also a set of safety pins. There are some straight pins in there, a few spare buttons, and it even has a needle threader, which comes in super handy. It also includes a set of 8 different thread colors, so you've got options no matter what you are fixing. And the best part, everything fits neatly back into this sturdy plastic case. Honestly, this is such a cute and practical little kit. I am definitely throwing this in my purse.